April's life felt like an open browser window, 17 tabs open, all unfinished. She'd clean one thing and spot another, answer one email and remember three more, start bedtime with the kids, then remember she never ate dinner. Even when she finally laid down, her brain didn't. She didn't need more motivation, she needed a finish line. Why it always feels like we're falling behind. So many of us are living in open loops. We check one thing off just to add three more. Evenings blur into inboxes. Weekends become prep marathons. And there's no clear moment when the workday or the mom shift actually ends. You're never really off. You're just shifting roles: teacher, chef, scheduler, emotional buffer, employee, on repeat. And then you wonder, why can't I sleep? Why do I feel so behind? It's not because you're not doing enough, it's because there's no boundary between doing and being. The fix: create a visual finish line. April didn't change her workload, she changed her ending. Every night, she created a simple ritual, not to get everything done, but to mark that the day was complete enough. Her ritual was three things: 1. Light a small lamp in the corner. 2. Close her journal and place it in the same spot. 3. Make a cup of tea, sit for 5 minutes, no phone. That's it. Three cues. Same time, same rhythm. Her brain began to understand. This is the end of the day. This is where we stop. Educator insight: why this rewires overwhelm. In education, we use closure activities for students, not to test them, but to help their brain wrap up. We close the lesson so the brain can encode what it learned and move on. But adults need closure too, especially those juggling parenting, professional roles, and emotional labor all day. Without a ritual, your nervous system doesn't know the day ended, and it stays in task mode even when your body's on the couch. Your brain needs a signal. We're done here. Real life shift from drained to done enough. At first, April felt guilty. How can I sit when the dishes are still in the sink? But slowly, she realized peace doesn't require perfection. It just needs a signal, a pattern, a moment to say, I did what I could. Now I rest. That moment changed everything. The to do list didn't disappear, but her anxiety did. Closing: from one unfinished parent to another. If you're ending your days in a swirl of guilt, tension, and loose ends, you're not alone. You don't need to do more. You need to close the loop. Pick a ritual, make it visual, make it repeatable, and let that be your finish line, even if the list isn't done. These aren't just tips, they're emotional oxygen for working parents, one fix at a time.